to ask a question here to Ken. We've got the ductwork all cleaned up. We've got coil all, cleaned up. We put a UV light in here to keep it clean. What about the rest of the system? What do you do then?
Yes, we have our traditional 1-inch filter that mostly homeowner use. We have a 1-inch filter that you offer. We replace it every 3 months. So what we have here in Rockwell Brothers, we offer a 3-inch filter that can last 6 to 8 months. So it's a MERV 13, can capture a lot of dust or like microns down to 0.3 microns. And then as far as a homeowner, you don't have to keep changing every month. So Rockwell Brothers can handle that or can help you guys when it comes to changing your filters.
Okay.
Yeah.